कॉनिक सेक्शन। आज कॉनिक सेक्शन के बारे में बात करते हैं। कॉनिक सेक्शन में मेनली हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे सर्कल, पैराबोला, एलिप्स, हाइपरबोला। इन 4 कॉनिक सेक्शंस की डिस्कशन करेंगे हम कॉनिक सेक्शंस में। So first of all, let us discuss about circle. So first thing that we are going to discuss is circle. So what is a circle? A circle is the set of all points that are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. In the plane. This fixed point we call it center. Center of the circle. And distance from the center center to any point on the circle is called radius. Let us draw a figure of a circle. So we have a center O, and the distance from center O to a point, let's say P on the circle, is radius R. And O के कोऑर्डिनेट हम let us say हम मान लेते हैं H, K. This is x, x dash, y, y dash, and there is this origin 0, 0. So OP is the distance, so we can use distance formula between the 2 point, which is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, which means should be equal to r. So what we can do, if we do OP square, that should be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. We can take this as equation of a circle whose radius is r and its center is h comma k. Let us do one question. Find an equation of the circle with center at 0, 0 and radius r. That means if we see my h comma k is 0, 0, which means h is 0, k is 0. So जो हमारी इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल है वो क्या है, x माइनस एच होल स्क्वायर y minus k whole square equal to r square. Let us put the value of h and k. X minus 0 whole square y minus 0 whole square is r square. So our equation is x square plus y square as r square. So ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Let us go to the another question. Find the center and the radius of a circle. And equation of a circle is x square y square 8x 10y minus 8 is 0. So if you see, let us reframe this equation. We write x square plus 8x, okay, and then we write plus y square plus 10y minus 8 equal to 0. Let's try to make a completing the square. So what shall we have? X square plus 2 into 4 into x plus 4 square minus 4 square plus y square plus 2 into 5x plus 5 square minus 5 square minus 8 equal to 0. So what we get? X plus 2 whole square plus y minus y plus 5 whole square and then we get negative 16, negative 25, negative 8 equal to 0. So we get x plus 2 whole square, y plus 5 whole square equal to 49. So the whole equation has been reframed like this. That means x plus 2 whole square. So we can further write it like what? X minus 2 whole square, y minus 5 whole square is 7 square. Okay. There is a little correction here. It is x plus 4 here and also here it is x plus 4. Okay. So we write here also minus 4 So now if we compare with our standard equation, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is r square. So what are the parameters by comparison? We get h is minus 4, k is minus 5, r is 7. So clearly the center is negative 4 comma negative 5 and radius is 7. So this is our answer. Let us now learn equation of a circle in yet another form. इक्वेशन ऑफ ए सर्कल जो हमने स्टैंडर्ड हमने लिया था, इक्वेशन ऑफ ए सर्कल स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन x minus h whole square y minus k whole square r square. Let us open up these squares. X square plus h square minus 2hx, y square plus k square minus 2ky is equal to r square. X square will write plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus r square equal to 0. This is, now if I put this whole equation like x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 and compare the parameters, what we get? We get 2g equal to minus 2h. This means g is equal to minus h. Okay. Or we can also say that h is equal to negative g. Also we get 2f equal to minus 2k, which means we can say k is equal to negative f. Also we can say that c is equal to h square plus k square minus r square, which means r square equal to h square plus k square minus c, which is g square plus f square minus c. So r is this. So what is the final value of r here? R is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Do we get it? So we can clearly conclude that the standard equation of a circle can be written as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here the center would be given as negative g comma negative f and radius r would be given as under root g square plus f square minus c. Let us take a question to solve based on this. The question is, find the equation of the circle of the circle which passes through the points 2 comma minus 2 and 3, 4 and whose center is or whose center lies on the line x plus y equal to 2. Let's try to find a solution. So what we have said, that the standard equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So since circle passes through the point 2 comma minus 2, so let's put this point 2 comma minus 2. As x and y. So what shall we get? 2 square minus 2 square, 2g into 2, 2f into minus 2 plus c is 0. So 4g minus 4f plus c plus 8 equal to 0. Okay. So we shall get 4g minus 4f plus c equal to negative 8. Let's say this is equation 1. Similarly, let us put another point. It is 3 comma 4. What we get? 3 square, 4 square, 2g into 3, 2f into 4 plus c is 0. So 6g, 8f plus c equal to negative 25. Let's say this is equation 2. So let us put this equation here. 4g minus 4f plus c equal to negative 8, and we subtract minus plus minus. So what we can do is cancel c. What we shall get? We will get 2g and then plus 8 plus 4 is 8f. 8 plus 4 is will be 12f. Okay. And then that would be equal to, here it will be plus. So we'll get negative 17. Okay. Let's put this as equation 4. So we can also write this equation as, we get g plus 6f equal to negative 8.5. The question also says that center lies on the line x plus y equal to 2. Center of the circle lies on x plus y equal to 2. So center के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? Negative g, comma negative f. So we can put it here, negative g, negative f equal to 2, which means g plus f equal to negative 2. So let's try to solve this problem. Let's say this is 5th, and let's put here this as 4th equation, g plus 6f as negative 8.5. Okay, and then subtract negative, negative, positive. So we will get negative 5f equal to, so 8.5 में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया तो आपका 6.5 here. So f would be 6.5 upon negative 5, which is negative 1.3. And then let's put the value of f here in this equation. We get g plus minus 1.3 equal to negative 2. So g would be negative 2 plus 1.3 as negative 0.7. So center of the circle क्या आ गया हमारा? Center is negative g comma negative f. So that would be negative, negative, positive. So we will write it as g is 0 point negative g and negative f would be 1.3. So this is the center. And then r would be equal to what? R would be under root g square plus f square minus c. So in fact, since we already know g and f, so we can easily find out the value of c. So our value of c would be, let us take one of these equations. 4g minus 4f plus c is minus 8. 4g minus 4f plus c. 4g minus 4f equal to 4g minus 4f plus c equal to minus 8 plus c equal to minus 8. So the value of 4 times g, value of g is negative 0.7 minus 4 times negative 1.3 plus c is negative 8. So c would be negative 8, and then it would be plus 2.8 and minus 5.2. So this answer so we get negative 10.4. So that's the value of c. So now let us see what is our r, or rather we can find r square as g square. So g square is 1 point, g would be, g was 0.7 and f was negative 1.3. So negative 0.7 whole square plus negative 1.3 whole square, and then g square plus f square minus c. Minus c means negative 10.4. Okay. So we can simply, so we shall get this as 12.58. So this is r square. So now we can get the equation of a circle. So what is the equation of a circle now? We will write x. Now we know the center. So let's write down once again. Center is negative 0. So center is minus g comma minus f, which is nothing but 0.7 comma 1.3, and radius is under root 12.58. So circle equation would be x minus 0.7 whole square plus y minus 1.3 whole square, as r square is 12.58. So this way you can solve all related problems to the circle. Okay, hopefully circle आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Let's meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.